What is that?
Don't you know what that is? That's an audio device.
I see.
Let's face it, are you going to tell me your name or what?
I'd rather not. It's actually quite boring. I mean, what's in a name anyways? Besides, we both know that's not the reason you're here.
You're right. February 3rd in Atlanta, New England 13, Los Angeles 3. NASDAQ down 400 points as stock index plummets. Typhoon hits Southeast Asia weeks before the rainy season, surprising meteorologists all over the globe.
Simple drabble, that's all.
Sports scores, weather predictions, election results, and even murders. You sent these to me days, weeks, months before you could have possibly known about this.
Well, I have been busy.
You're right, I don't care about your name. I want to know how you did this.
The answer is simple, my friend. I'm from the future. I can see you don't believe me.
I can see you're from the future. What's not to believe?
Look, if you're gonna be so close-minded...
No, not at all. Just thinking you're full of shit, that's all.
If you're gonna be so close-minded, I'll happily show you to the door.